Hi, this is Jenna Cole with Cultivation Network, your full-service marketing agency located in beautiful downtown Murfreesboro. Welcome to the Small Business Spotlight. Today I have with me Gilbert Clarke of Clarke's Cleaning Services. Good to see you.
Nice to see you as well. Happy to be here, Jenna.
Thank you so much. So tell us all about Clarke's Cleaning.
Well, here at Clarke's Cleaning, we're a local and operated company here in Murfreesboro. We've been in business for 4 years.
Okay.
We are accredited with the Better Business Bureau.
Great.
We specialize in cleaning of the common areas for commercial buildings, as well as apartment complexes, high rises. We do the amenities for those areas, such as like fitness centers, offices, clubhouses, and things of that nature. We also do specialize in odor treatments, and those are cases where there's a malodor. It could be smoke, it could be pet odors that you can't just basically mask it. But what we do is we use a chlorine dioxide gas off, which basically it oxidizes the microorganisms, and it does mitigate the odors at the source.
Okay.
We also do offer sanitation and disinfecting and sanitation services, where we utilize an electric static fogger, which basically it discharges positively charged particles. Basically, it goes on surfaces and it just disinfects and it kills the viruses and bacteria at the source.
That's awesome. So if an office has experienced, several workers who had COVID, for example, you would come in and help them with that?
Absolutely. That's what we currently do right now, where
Okay.
we have cases where somebody has been affected with COVID, and they call us in to say, hey, we want to make sure everybody else is safe. Can you come in and just fog our building?
Okay, that's awesome. That's great. So if someone wants to schedule your services, how do they get in touch with you?
Well, they can call us at 615-295-4845. They can also send us an email at info@clarkscleaning.com. Now it's Clarke, it's ES after Clarke. Please don't forget that. And also they can visit our website at clarkscleaning.com.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
And so just tell me real quickly what areas you service.
We do service the Murfreesboro, Lebanon, Smyrna, Mount Juliet, keep going up, Franklin,
Okay.
Nashville, and all the surrounding areas.
Okay, great.
Yes.
Very good. Okay, well, thank you so much. I appreciate you being with me
Thank
today.
you for having me here.
Again, that's clarkscleaning.com, Clark's ES, clarkscleaning.com. Check them out. And this is Jenna Cole with Cultivation Network. We are also a local business. We offer website design, search engine optimization, any kind of marketing need you might have. We are here to help you. We love helping local businesses grow. And remember to shop local, because local businesses are the heartbeat of our economy. Thank you.